This is a group file. It's a collection of game assets, sprites, sounds, used by old build engine games like Duke Nukem 3D. You need an extractor to see the files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the tool. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering GRP files with corrupted internal metadata. The GRP extension has two primary associations. It represents archive files used by the classic real-time strategy game StarCraft, containing game data such as graphics and sounds. Additionally, .grp files were used in older versions of Windows to store program group information, defining the structure and contents of program groups in the Start menu. StarCraft.grp files are proprietary archive formats specific to the game engine. Windows.grp files are binary files with a defined structure for storing program group entries, including program names, icons, and executable paths. These files were used to organize applications in the Windows 3.x and Windows 9x operating systems. Your first application to test with GRP should be StarCraft from Blizzard Entertainment Inc. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. Let's find the winning application, right-click your GRP file and select Open With. If StarCraft is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. When your GRP file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, use Game Client. Open the file using StarCraft, the required application for the game data. Next, use Game Editor. Use a StarCraft editor, e.g. StarEdit, to view or edit the game assets. Finally, check mod location. If a mod, ensure the GRP file is placed in the correct mods folder for the game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.